Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're coming to you with doing some soda blasting. We've got the 3500 size cabinet, we've got the soda blast inside. Blasting with soda media has all kinds of really good characteristics. Let me go over a few of those for you. One of the characteristics of soda blasting is that it is non-abrasive. This media is softer than, say, for example, aluminum oxide or sand. It's going to be great for removing or stripping away without damaging the underlying surface, like metals or wood. One other characteristic is that soda is water soluble. This means that it's got easier cleanup, so you're not going to have any abrasive left behind. Once you're rinsing that out, it's going to be able to dissolve and it's going to remove fairly easily, so the cleanup is much better. So another characteristic is that soda is environmentally friendly. It does not leave behind any kind of byproducts, and it does, again, because it dissolves, it's going to clean up and not leave residual abrasive behind. So the soda is also mild on substrates, makes it very useful in removing paint or grease or grime without damaging the surface underneath. Because it does dissolve, again, it makes it very useful in those industries that need to remove grease or grime and paint. All of these qualities make soda an excellent choice when choosing to blast parts that have surface preservation or safety, and also an ease of cleanup as a priority. So stay tuned, let's see how these parts come out after we soda blast them. We're back after blasting these parts in soda. As we mentioned, there are several really good characteristics of blasting with soda. Let us know what questions you have, how we can assist you, and give us a call anytime. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.